Hi everyone, this is Annindita Palaus, and today's video is about positive affirmations and its benefits. So, positive affirmations are, as we all know, statements that are designed to encourage positive thinking and beliefs. They can be used to help you overcome negative self talk, improve your self esteem, and achieve your goals. Here are 5 benefits of positive affirmations and how to use them. Number 1. Positive affirmations help boost your self confidence by replacing negative self talk with positive statements. When you repeat positive affirmations regularly, you begin to believe in them, which can help improve your self esteem and confidence. Number 2, positive affirmations can also help reduce stress and anxiety by focusing on positive thoughts and feelings. By repeating positive affirmations, you can train your brain to focus on the present moment and let go of negative thoughts. Number 3, positive affirmations also help improve motivation and focus by reminding you of your goals and aspirations. By repeating positive affirmations, you can stay focused on your goals and stay motivated to achieve them. Number 4, positive affirmations can enhance overall well being by improving mental and emotional health. By focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs, you can reduce stress and anxiety, boost self confidence, and improve your outlook on life. Number 5, positive affirmations can also help you manifest desired outcomes by focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs. By repeating positive affirmations related to your goals and aspirations, you can attract positive energy and opportunities into your life. To use positive affirmations, choose a few statements that resonate with you and repeat them to yourself regularly. You can write them down and post them in a visible location or repeat them to yourself silently or out loud. Some examples of positive affirmations include: I am capable of achieving my goals. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I am confident and capable in everything I do. Check out my meditation video on I am affirmations to get more ideas and inspiration. The link is right here. You will also find the link in the description below. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine can help improve your overall well being, boost self confidence, and help you achieve your goals. But remember to be patient with yourself and to be consistent, as the benefits of positive affirmations can take time to manifest. I always like to remind my coaching clients that affirmations are very powerful and they help. At the same time, it is not a magic wand. So don't think that you repeat 5 affirmations one day for 5 minutes and the next day everything is going to change. Be patient with the process. If you like the idea of using affirmations to create transformations in your life, then I highly recommend trying out one of my nighttime affirmation audios. You can find them right here, and the link is also in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the idea of using affirmations. If you have ever used affirmations, and if so, what are your favorite affirmations? I would love to know them. And as always, I would like to remind you, if you haven't already, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.